Ito po ang International Airport ng Cebu. Isa sa pinakamagandang design ng airport sa Southeast Asia. Maganda ang airport na to. North Korea is not a planet, a country.
Does they speak English or Spanish?
No, they speak Korean. Ang ganda ng airport. Wow, Cebu, so nice.
Part of this group or?
Jetstar.
Okay.
Salamat. Thank you ta. CB. Ay, travel tax pa. Travel tax.
You pay another fund. What do you pay?
No, I need to charge my phone first so I can do the e-travel. Sobrang ganda ng airport na to. Ang ganda ng airport. No? Magcha-charge muna ako. But empty na ako.
So you want charge?
Nababat empty na ako.
Where is
Dito? Nature. May clinic sila dito. Tapos na kaming nag-fill up ng e-travel. Oh, nature, look! It's a ship. It's massive. You can go to the side. Go on the side. Come on. Ah, you want me to take a picture? Okay, wait. Ang ganda ng malinis.
And then he came to there. And then he went to the sea. And then he goes try his loud hands.
Ang linis ng CR. Tapos basta maganda yung CR. Maganda yung airport na to. What?
What's the most expensive flight?
I'm not sure. Mag-check-in na po tayo. Nitro, come on.
How many hours will it take night time?
Yay! Natapos na tamo. Natapos na tayo sa TSA. Nasa loob na tayo. Ano, Nitro?
Boy.
Kapoy. He's so tired. Come on. May Taza, Bonchon, Asian Kitchen. Ang cute. Ang ganda. Maganda yung airport na to. Very nice. Ano kita nga gate? 15? Oh yes, I can charge my phone. That's it, Bonchon? Sugbo Fiesta. Later, look at the airplane. Come on. Huh?
What's the airplanes? Yeah.
Oh, you saw. Oh, yeah, look.
Inang pito. Inang pito.
Anim. Anim. Anim pito. Hanapin po natin ang Burger King. Kakain po tayo. Oh, ang cute ng plushies. Ang cute. Mangga. Oh, ang cute. Inaantok na ako. Tapos si Nitro, napagod na siyang maglakad. Tapos konti pa yung tao kahit Saturday ngayon. May lakas. Finally, nakaupo na tayo. Nandito sila doon.
A milkshake.
Milkshake? You want milkshake?
Yes.
You have soda.
I want.
You want what?
Is fire.
You want a fire drink?
Yes.
What's a fire drink?
So your throat can get hot.
Oh, that's not good.
Like that one. You see that?
What?
That's not a fire drink. That's a shake.
It's a shake.
Nagantay po tayo sa
We're gonna have a drink.
pagkain natin. Sa Burger King. Sa Hungry Jack's.
I'm so exhausted.
You're
I
exhausted?
can eat this paper.
Okay. The food's coming soon, buddy.
Oh, my feet on. Hey, great girl.
I'll go get it, buddy.
Yes. My chips. I want my chips. Turn it
Chippies.
around.
There they are.
That's my chips. I need it. Oh, my chips. My chips. Oh, my chicken. Remember? Oh, my
What?
chicken.
What's that?
Remember? You saw that now? Oh, my chicken.
Yummy?
In the mall.
Nitro, boarding mo.
Going on the plane, buddy. Woohoo!
Amo, diba? Thank you. Hello po, happy Valentine's. Boarding na po tayo. What? Come on. Oh. Nacho, hold this. Yala. Come on, come on. Hi.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Next to the window on your left hand side, please.
Thank you.
Good evening. Thank you. I'll see you on your left hand side.
Oops. You wanna sit on the window seat, Nitro? Go. Come on. 14.
This is our sheet, right?
14. That's 13. Over here. Nitro, go on the window.
This is our seats, buddy. E, and F. You want the window seat? Let's see out the window.
Yes, I can charge my phone. Pero okay naman. Gusto ko kasi malinis na.
What's that do?
Okay lang naman ang Jetstar. Qantas kasi kami dati. Maarte kasi si Dwayne, gusto niya Qantas.
Yeah.
Pero okay naman sa akin yung Jetstar kasi malinis lang. Yun, minimal lang. Tingnan nyo. Minimal lang. Yung ano ng Qantas na kahit economy yung Qantas parang ang daming ganyan. Di ba sa mga red na sila? Tapos, okay, mas gusto ko pa. Mas mura pa. Rachel, say bye-bye, Cebu.
Bye-bye, Cebu. Bye-bye later.
You can do that because we're gonna take off, remember? We can do that yet later when we're up there. Then we can do that. Okay. Let's put your seatbelt on now.
Okay.
Okay. You're such a good boy.
Where's my jacket? Mommy, can I listen to music, please?
Your playlist? May sariling playlist po si Nitro sa phone ko. Yun yung pinapakinggan niya pag nasa plane kami. Ikaw, mag-intra. If you're in South Korea, it's fine. North Korea. If you live there, they catch you.
That's unfair, right?
Go to sleep na. Kadalanag eh. Ay, yung nakatulog.
To the gate, please relax and stay put in until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You can now switch your mobile phone out of flight mode.
Rachel! Rachel! You're in Australia!
Made it, buddy. You're back after 3 years. Isn't that crazy? It's been 3 years, hey. Go.
Uy, nahubuan ka man. Let's go, baby Nigel. Baby Nigel is here in Australia. Yan po yung sinakyan natin. Welcome to Australia. Nigel. Nandito na po tayo sa Australia. Wala pa din akong boxes. Malamig po ngayon, 20 degrees. Kahit hindi winter. Hindi ko alam ba't malamig. Okay. Okay.
Oh my goodness, Grandpa and Grandma.
You're too close. Ito na tayo sa Brisbane Airport. Cute lang dito. Gusto ko dito kasi cute lang. Tapos may madaming tao. Sa Sydney madaming tao. Yung oak na yan yung favorite ni Dwayne. Gahanap ako ng Pukari, pero ito lang yung meron sila. Yung favorite ko, ito, Bundaberg. I want, what?
In the Philippines, though, you get something, sort of burger rings. We don't have that in the Philippines. Eh?
Ah, yeah, right here, pagkampang burger. Malalaking pigs. Video. In Australia. Madaming chocolates in Nitro.
Where are you going, Kathleen? Why don't you go the other way? Oh, Mum.
My Turkish delight.
Mommy, look at the list.
In Grandma and Grandpa's house.
You pay $30, Mum.
And then,
But yeah, why pay $2 for a dog? Like, what the hell? Chicken!
Oh, yeah, chicken.
Chicken got out.
Grandpa's
No,
house.
chicken. Look, it's done into this nose.
There's a chicken.
All right, we made it, buddy. We're at Grandma and Grandpa's
You went
house.
lovely.
Social. It's a social place.
Wow. We got an Australian flag in the front yard now.
Social. Dati wala pa to dito. Nice.